Hello, I'm Jennifer from Pastor's Wife Digiprints, and I wanted to show you the Dinosaur kit, Dinosaur journal kit. And so let's get started. First, we see here the cover. It has some skeleton dinosaurs, and my daughter loves this dinosaur, so she helped me think of what to put on the outside, and I thought she had a great idea. And then we added the closure. It has little dinosaur prints on it as well. You can cut these out, maybe even put some more cardboard or cardstock on the back side to make it stronger, and then do some Mod Podging, and it'll be very similar to a real leather cover. I've done stuff like this before. And here's the spine. I don't know if you want to use this spine or make it exposed spine. Okay, and then I've added some dinosaur stamps. I thought they were fun to make, and you can cut them out and put them on your journal. These are some leather pockets that you can put in. And this one right here, the pocket goes this way, and then you can use this as a flap that goes over the top. Just turn it the other direction once you cut it out, and put it behind here, glue it behind, and then it goes over. And this one you just bend this part over, and then just some regular ones. Okay, and I added this for like a archaeology map. You're finding your dinosaurs. Oh, that was fun. These are all the pages. Now I just printed mine out on one side, but I was thinking about just putting two together like this and gluing on the edges. Have pockets on all of them and put little goodies in. But anyway, so I have them this way, and I'm gonna fold them like that. Anyway, that's two of them. I'm just gonna flip through here. I love how pretty and bright the colors turned out. Now all of these, I have little papers that you can add to them. We'll see in a minute. I just want to show you the pages first. See, like you have little papers you can cut out and paste in here and here. So they're coming up next. I love this blue, so pretty. Blue and purple, like a sunset. This one too. Now pray for me, my printer does not want to work right. See how it printed it out all orange? I was trying to do it on the back side, but that did not work. So I'm just going to make pockets. And that one did orange too. Okay, so those are all my pages. Then I'm I've got all of these goodies that go with it. These are just little cutouts. You can color. A lot of people like to color or use their markers. So I added some coloring. These you can cut out and put in your pockets or whatever. Here's some washi. Here's some dinosaur footprints, like he's been playing in the mud. And here's some dinosaur Bible verses. Here's some little, whatever you want to use them for, tags, or you can use them maybe with paper clips. Now here starts the little papers that you can cut out and put on your pages. And some more washi. Like to use up all the space I can giving you goodies. And this is probably my biggest kit I've ever made. Not including the other bundles. The bundles have a lot in them too. But this was really fun to make. There's lots of little papers you can cut out and put in any way you choose. You can just add it to another page or glue it on. And I love these little dinosaur ones. More little washies or paper clip thingies where you want to use it for paper that covers. More writing spaces. Lots and lots of writing spaces for y'all. I thought I'd add some circle ones. Really fun. I hope the lighting is good for y'all. Seems like I can never get my lighting right lately. But it's really, really pretty. If it doesn't look really pretty, then the lighting's wrong. Because it's really bright and pretty. Oh, I love these too, these little splatter ones. Okay, that's all of the kit. There's 49 pages, y'all. Go by and see what you can find in the shop. I'll try to leave this particular listing underneath the video. See y'all later. Bye-bye.